So in the box of your Powerbeats Pro Tools, you do get extra ear tips so that you can find the ones that fit your ears properly. And also on the app on your iPhone or Android, once your phone is connected and you go to settings and then tap on the Powerbeats Pro application, there's actually a feature that allows you to check or helps you check the best ear fit. Okay, so all you have to do is scroll and find ear tip fit test. So just tap on that and then it's going to tell you this is going to test the fit of your ear tips for audio quality and proper noise cancellation. So just tap on continue, and then what you want to do is put on your Powerbeats Pro Tools. So just take them out of the case, put them in your ear. And once they are in your ear, the next thing you want to do is play the sound here. So I'm just gonna, first of all, make sure they're sitting properly in your ear, okay? Then tap on the play button. That's going to play a sound. And as you can see, mine says it's a good sale for both the left and right earbuds. Okay, so you can play again, you can twist them around, and in case it tells you it's not a good sale, then you might want to switch to either bigger or smaller ear tips. So when they have the perfect seal around your ear, that's when you get the best audio quality and also the best noise cancellation and also comfort. All right, so that's basically how to perform an ear tip fit test with your Powerbeats Pro Tools and the companion app on your iPhone or on your phone, because even Android has a companion app. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.